So a few subscribers wanted a follow-up video on the Roborock S7 robot vacuum, so I thought I'd continue and let you see it kind of cleaning around the house. Now, I've already cleaned the floors twice with it, so it's learned most of the house, so it kind of knows where it's going. So this is when it's cleaning the hall, coming off the dock, and it goes a little past halfway up the hall, and it turns around and goes back. It'll come back later and pick up where it left off. Now here it's cleaning the small area between the hall and the kitchen. Once it does that, it'll go back to the hall and pick up where it left off. So it comes back to the hall. Right now it's repositioning itself. It knows this is where it started. Now it knows it's done this whole area. Now it slows down and says, okay, this is where I have to restart the hall. Now it comes to my office room. It notices there's a rug, it lifts itself up, and hopefully you can hear that it starts cleaning much harder, and once it comes off the rug, it goes back to normal for the floor. It'll go back and clean my office later because it remembers that from the other times it's already been there. And now it starts cleaning this little hole area. Having finished the little hall area, it's back to my office. I just wanted to show you on its way out of the office, it'll check everything. Notice it can't quite get to those wires, so it's not an issue. But generally, whenever there's wires, that's where you have to be careful. And that's where you have to either pick them up or have it go around the wires. Now here I just wanted to show you that this exercise machine slopes down and it can't quite get underneath it. But it's been there before, so it knows once it gets to the end of that, just go ahead and clean the rest of the room. Almost forgot to snatch that little machine out of the way, because it wasn't there when it's cleaned this room before. And finally, back in the kitchen, just wanted to show you, it'll go under the little cabinet, it can fit under there, and it will work its way around chair legs and around all the chairs and table legs, and it won't forget where it's been, so it cleans everything under the table eventually. And you can hear the little bumping it does up against some of the metal chair legs, but it's got rubber bumpers all the way around, so it's not going to hurt anything. So that's just a little demo of what it can do, how it maps all the rooms, and then it sends this notification to my phone telling me it's returning to dock. And next time I'll give you a demo of it actually washing the floor. As always, comments are welcome, and thanks for watching.
Yeah.